Let us sketch the graph of this square root function. Now, the first thing you need to understand is you need to have a basic understanding of what the parent function square root of x looks like. And here it is. The square root of x graph is going to start from the origin and curve off to the right like this. Now, the next thing you need to understand is that if I take that basic parent function and make a couple modifications, all right, so for example, if I put a minus p plus q right here, that p, you know what, I shouldn't use p and q. I should use h and k because that's tradition. H and k. Now that h means it's going to be h to the right. And this k means that it's going to be k units up. Now, if this were positive, it would move us to the left. And if this were negative, it would move us down. So, when I see this -1, that's like the h. So this tells me that this is going to move 1 unit to the right. Again, if this had been a +1, it would have been to the left. And there's nothing being added or subtracted on the end. There's no k. So that the graph is not going to move up or down. So if I imagine this, and I imagine it moving 1 unit to the right, that's what I'm looking for. And that's what I see in A. Let's see if anything else is also doing that. Nope. A is the only one, so the answer is A. If I saw another graph that was also moving 1 to the right, then I'd have to talk about the fact that this 1/2 value, this A value in the front, because it's less than 1, that is a vertical compression, which is why this is so short. Normally this graph is a little taller, so it would go something more like this. Okay, but because the 1/2, it's shorter like this. Anyway, the answer is A.